Hello guys, welcome to Programming Hub PH. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to reveal all saved Wi-Fi passwords using Wi-Fi Password Revealer. So, we're going to give it for you for free. So make sure you follow and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video for more hacking tricks. So after entering password, so you'll see all Wi-Fi passwords here. So you cannot access if the password is wrong. Let's try. Password is and not official by hacker, so demo purposes only, and this is not for sale. So you see Wi-Fi password and you will see all. So that's it. That's very easy. So thank you for watching, and if you want this application, the password is Hub 2020. So that's all. Thank you for watching.